Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by acting quickly. Open Find My on any device or sign into iCloud. Calm. If the device shows online, play a sound immediately so you can hear or locate it. If offline, note the last seen location and enable Lost Mode to lock and track changes. At the same time, call your number and retrace recent locations. Make sure to check pockets, bags, cars, and couches. These first steps give you control and prevent unauthorized access while you continue searching. Once you've locked the phone, expand the search. Enable Lost Mode to display a message and phone number so a finder can contact you. Check other accounts for location history like Google Timeline, delivery apps, or recent photo timestamps to reconstruct movement. If you suspect theft, contact businesses or transit authorities where you were. Ask for surveillance footage or entry logs. Make sure to keep your Apple ID secure. Change the password and remove payment methods to prevent misuse. You finish by escalating appropriately. If you believe the phone was stolen, report it to police with the serial or IMEI and any last seen coordinates. If the device is offline, enable Notify when found in Find My and monitor for status changes. Make sure your contact info is visible in Lost Mode. If recovery seems impossible, remotely erase to protect data, then prepare to restore from an iCloud backup on a replacement. One tip: if you erase, you lose live tracking. Use erasure only when necessary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.